Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Eddy Show. I'm your host Eddie Ray, where we do tips, tricks, and tutorial videos for live streamers, gamers, and content creators. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to find a lost or stolen cell phone on Android. Very important, so stay tuned. Okay, so here we are in Google Play. Obviously this app would only work on Android devices, so if you have an iPad or iPhone, you check the App Store for a suitable app for you. Now keep in mind, obviously you have to install this app on a device that you have with you, so if you lose your cell phone or tablet or get it stolen, you'll have to borrow or use an old cell phone or a tablet to be able to use this, but I'm sure you probably can find an extra cell phone for your parents, or maybe your brother or sister has one, maybe your friend has one. Install Google Find My Device by Google LLC. This has over 100 million installs, good rating, so obviously it does work and does what it says. It will find your device. Okay, so after you install, click on Open. Now what you have to do is sign into the Gmail account. And remember, sign into the Gmail account that your lost or stolen device is actually signed into, so make sure you know what it is, otherwise you'll have trouble finding your device. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice here is Google Maps. About 2/3 of the screen here on the app is the map, which is pretty cool. So it will look for the device. As soon as you sign in, it will locate it for you, hopefully, and locate the device. So right now, I'm looking for my primary phone, my OnePlus 8. And below the map here, it says OnePlus 8, last seen just now, so that's good. It also shows your current battery and also the connection that the phone has. Now this will also find your phone not just on your data connection, but also if it's on Wi-Fi as well, so keep that in mind. Obviously if the phone is off, you can't locate it, so keep that in mind too. But you can also refresh the location if you have to. If some time passes by here and you think the phone may be stolen and being on the move somewhere, you can refresh this here. And obviously if it picks up a new location, it will send that data to you here in the app. Now, when you're signed into your Google account, if you have other devices on the Google account as well, you'll see them at the top of the screen here above the map. So my current phone right now is my Pixel in my hand. And it actually says in my hand right here, which is kind of strange, but that's true and accurate. I have another phone here, a Note 5, which is actually offline right now. So it can't really find that or contact that. I also have a tablet here. Still going to contact that device, but all these devices are actually off right now. Also have an older Samsung Galaxy Nexus here as well. But again, whatever Google account you're signed into, if you have other devices on the account, it will also show them here. If they're online, it will show you where they are. So obviously the first thing you want to do if your phone is either lost or stolen is act fast. What you want to do, of course, is download this app onto your parent's cell phone, your brother or sisters, or a very good friend that you can trust. That way you can sign into your Google account on their phone with this app and locate your lost or stolen device. The top 3 dots up here are your basic menu. Of course, you can switch accounts. If you want to sign into a different Google account, you can do that here. You can also refresh everything. There we go, last seen 1 minute ago now. You can also rename the device if you have to, and also look for help and feedback. And this is a pretty useful little link here. Obviously here to find a phone. The phone has to be turned on, signed into a Gmail account, connected to, of course, data or Wi-Fi, be visible on Google Play and such. That sounds like a lot of parameters that have to be working to find your device, but of course, that holds true. If it's not turned on or whatever, you can't find it with this app. Otherwise, you'll have to use just pure luck and remember where you put your device. One of the cool features here with Find My Device by Google is you can actually play a sound. So if your current device is lost or stolen, you can play a sound on that phone or tablet. So that should play. There we go. I'll click on stop. So that was cool. So of course my other phone over here is my OnePlus 8 right off camera over there. So it played a sound that I clicked on this phone here to find that phone. So if it's buried underneath clothing or put into a different room somewhere or in a bag somewhere in your purse, you can play that sound and hopefully find out where it is by hearing exactly where the sound's coming from. So below play sound, of course, you have some other important features. You can also secure the device. So if you push that button, it actually locks the device up completely. And you can also erase the device as well. So if it is stolen and you're worried about credit card information or personal accounts, information like that, and photographs, whatever you have on your phone, obviously you can also erase the device if you have to, as kind of a last resort. But it is there as a good option in this app. A little feature here of the app is a little icon above the refresh. It's a little eye with a circle. If you click on that, it gives the device information of the device that's lost or stolen, including the IMEI number as well. Now, obviously here with the map, you can of course use pinch and zoom to zoom in if you have to get road names, to find it better. You can also obviously see here where you are if you lose your phone in the house. You can kind of see where your phone is exactly in the house by the location. And right now it has me about, kind of in front of the main part of the house here, which is true. So that's pretty accurate. And of course you can zoom out here to see more of where you're at or where the phone may be if it's on the move. And there you have it. So this is Find My Device by Google, a very important app to use if you lost or have a phone or tablet possibly stolen from you. You want to act fast, so install this app on a second device, sign in, and hopefully you can locate it really quickly. And that wraps up this episode. Hit the like button for us, give us your comments below, and subscribe. I'm Eddie Ray for the Tech Eddy Show. We'll see you back here next time. Thanks for watching.